Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to see how to create a simple Splunk application from the web UI, which is quite straightforward, and then we'll see how to create the Splunk application from backend as well using the command line. So before starting, you already know that the Splunk application is the application which runs on the Splunk platform, and also I would like to give one information before we move on to demo, that there are two kind of templates which comes with the Splunk installation. The first is a bare bones, so it is a minimum set of required files which runs for the Splunk application, so it comes with that kind of configuration. And the second is a sample app, which is like the enhanced template we can say, where it has some sample dashboards, images and CSS files for the dashboard and so on. So also one another point that you can create your own custom templates and save into this directory, app underscore templates, and you can use it to create a Splunk application. So I'm in the Splunk application, and you can see this icon. You can click here to go into manage apps and then create app. And here you can give the application name, so I'll just give uh, my first app. You can provide a different folder name if you want. I will keep the same. So for time being I'll just ignore this version, application version, author and description. So as I told you in the presentation that we have two kind of templates to create a Splunk application. So in this demo we'll go with the bare bones app, and while seeing the demo of command line we'll select the sample app and we'll see the difference. So I have just kept it the default bare bones, and I don't have any assets to upload. Just click save. So it is successfully created your my first application. If you click here you will see in the left pane the application which you have created is my first app. Okay, and if you go into the Splunk home directory, you will see the same application folder directory which appeared here, my first app. Okay, now we'll see how to create a Splunk application from the command line. And to create it, you go to this Splunk installation directory, also called as Splunk home directory, and we'll see which command is helpful to create the Splunk application. So I'll just type Splunk help create command, I guess. So this is the syntax. If you need any kind of help on the command, you can just type Splunk help and the command name. So if you see, this provides this create command is lets you to create the Splunk application. So if you see the example here, I'll just copy paste this example. uh, so Splunk create app and provide your application name. So I'll just change my name, my second app. So the template, we have to give the template as a parameter. So in the web UI, as we have chosen the bare bones template app, so in this video we'll keep the sample app, and I'll just modify the name so that we can differentiate my second sample app, and just hit the enter. Okay, so I just have to provide the username and password, so I'm just giving it, and it's login successful. So yes, the my second app is created. Now you can just go to your Splunk home directory and apps folder. So you should see the apps in this directory, etc apps, and you can see the my second sample app. So if you see the difference in the folder structure of these two applications, in the left side the my first app is the application created with the bare bone template, and on the right hand side it is the application which created with the sample app template. So this is the way we can create a Splunk application from your web UI as well as from the uh, command line. And if you go to the your Splunk application, you will just refresh it and you should see the application pane here, like my first app and my second sample application both are appeared in the Splunk. So if you found this video useful, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching the video.